If you are looking for some support for current affairs, if you are a fresher, you are a working professional, you are a repeater, but you want some support for current affairs, then I have a program for you. I have given the brochure and also the announcement video link in the description. You can watch if you are interested. Hello all, welcome back to Current Affairs Hitlist series. I'm Guna Mathivanan from Offices IAS Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about Pulicat Lake. So Pulicat Lake is located in the Coromandel coast of our country. So Coromandel coast, you will see Coromandel coast in the Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu side. So this Pulicat Lake is located in that coast. And this Pulicat Lake is shared by two states. One is Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Listen to my content first, then we will go into the slides. So 90% of the lake is with Andhra Pradesh and 10% of the lake is with Tamil Nadu side. Now, this Pulicat Lake is the second largest brackish water lake in India, the second largest lagoon in India. So what is this brackish water? These are salt water, but not too salty like oceans. It is somewhere between freshwater and the oceans. Okay. What is lagoon? Lagoon is a seawater region which is separated from the major sea by some barrier island or barrier reef, something like that. So if you take this Pulicat Lake, it is separated from the Bay of Bengal by a barrier island, that is Sriharikota. Sriharikota is also known for Satish Dhawan Space Center, which you have to keep it in mind. Right? When you look at the major inflows into this lake. So we have river Kalangi, river Swarnamukhi, and also we have one more river Arani. It is also flows inside this Pulicat Lake. And Buckingham Canal, right? So around 800 kilometers length Buckingham Canal, which flows from this Pulicat region from Andhra Pradesh to Tamil Nadu. That Buckingham Canal also passes through this Pulicat Lake. This Pulicat Lake is also known for good fishing grounds, right? It has very good fishing grounds. You will find lot of shrimps. So you see lot of fishing harvest going on in this Pulicat Lake. Because of availability of lot of shrimps and other fishes, we see a lot of migratory birds coming to this Pulicat Lake. So one of the migratory bird coming to the Pulicat Lake is the flamingos, beautiful flamingos. Right. So in the month of January in Pulicat Lake, you even have Flamingo Festival. In the first week of January in Pulicat Lake, the Flamingo Festival will be celebrated. Now this Pulicat Lake is so significant, but there are some threat. What kind of threat? The lake is being encroached. The lake is being polluted by releasing the industrial discharge and also by domestic sewage are released in this lake. So this lake is getting polluted. The lake is being encroached. And we also see indiscriminate fishing which is going on in this Pulicat Lake, which is also affecting the ecosystem. Too much of aquaculture, too much of fishing, which is affecting the ecosystem. Right. So this is with respect to Pulicat Lake. So why it was in news, that we will see. A restoration program is going on, that we will see. So quickly, whatever we have discussed, whatever I have explained, that is what I have given here. It is located in the Coromandel coast of India. So it is shared by the states of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, second largest brackish water lake in our country. It is also the second largest lagoon. Both are after Chilka Lake. Chilka Lake is in Odisha. Right? So lagoon is separated from the Bay of Bengal through Sriharikota, which I have mentioned. Right. So Arani, Kalangi and Swarnamukhi are the rivers which flows into this lake. Buckingham Canal passes through this lake. So we have Pulicat Lake Bird Sanctuary here. I said that this rich prawns and fishes which is found in this Pulicat Lake is attracting lot of migratory species, particularly flamingos. That is why we have a flamingo festival in the first week of January in Pulicat Lake, which is happening every year. Look at the threats. So pollution is the biggest threat from industrial activities, from domestic sewage, encroachments, rapid development of aquaculture, fishing activities. So this ecosystem has to be restored. So the central government as well as the state government, they are coming up with an ecosystem restoration project worth 128.80 crores. That's why it was in news. Again, these numbers and all will not be asked. just know about Pulicat Lake. That is what is required. So see you in next video. Till then, bye. Take care.